Imagine a future where every woman understands her fertility with precision. No guesswork, no invasive tests. At CMU, my research is transforming ovulation prediction using skin wearable technology, smart chest bands, bras, and underwear that track ECG and body temperature continuously and safely. By processing this data with machine learning, I developed a real-time model that detects and predicts ovulation with accuracy like never before. This means better family planning, improved fertility treatments, and even insights into reproductive health conditions, all without disturbing daily life. I envision a world where fertility tracking is effortless, empowering millions with knowledge about their own bodies. With my work, the future of reproductive health is not just predictable, it's proactive.